Hello friends, to successfully cite Twitter in your reference list or works cited list in the Harvard style, this is how you do it. So in the citation order as follows, you will need an authorship, followed by, in round brackets, the year that the tweet was posted. Next up, you will need Twitter, in square brackets, followed by the day or the month that the tweet was posted. Then you have available at colon, and then you copy and paste the URL into your reference, and in round brackets accessed colon and the date at which you last accessed that tweet. For a template that you can copy and paste into your work, check the description below, and whilst you're there, don't forget to subscribe to start learning for free now, hit that like button and drop a comment below.